Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Now enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, more, agree. Again next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 69 and a low of 53.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.